The seventh problem says a particle is projected in such a way such that it just touches two walls, each having height a, and the separation between the walls is also a. So from the figure it's mentioned that the walls are of height a and the separation between the walls is also a. Okay, and the point of projection of the particle, that is this, is a from this first wall. So the particle is projected from here with a velocity u and angle theta, and the particle just touches these two walls and reaches at this point, right? So we are asked to find the initial velocity with which the particle is projected. Remember that theta and u are unknown in this case, so the question is, first part is find theta at which the angle is projected, the particle is projected, and the second part is find the initial velocity at which the particle is projected. So okay, now first of all let's see what will be this distance. I am given that this distance is a. What will be this distance? So to find this distance, let's assume that the particle was not projected from here, it was projected from this side. So if the particle was projected from this side, then again it would have followed the same path, right? And so because of symmetry, if this distance is a, this distance should also be a, right? So the first step to solve this problem is, I get that the range of the particle is 3a, right? Now I'll just give a hint to this problem and you try solving this on your own. Now to solve this problem you need to know the equation of trajectory again. And the equation for range. That's it. If you know these two things, you will be able to solve this problem. The answer to this problem is u equals to root 65 by 2a. This is the answer. If you have any problems regarding solving this problem, you can post any question on our forum. The link to our forum is www.collegepedia.in/forum. For any doubts on projectile motion or pertaining to questions which I have already discussed, or any doubts, you can post that in our forum. So now again let's move to the last problem on projectile motion, where the particle is projected from a surface. The last problem, that is the 8th problem I guess, is as follows. In this again the particle is projected from the ground, right? It's given that at an instant of time t, this angle of elevation is this alpha from this side, and from this side it's beta, right? So, and we are asked to find the angle of projection of the particle theta. So this is the question. Again this question can be solved using the equation of trajectory of projectile motion. The answer to this question is the tan of angle theta is equal to tan of angle alpha plus tan of angle beta. Try solving this question on your own. If you have any doubts regarding this question, post it on our forum. So till now we have discussed a lot on projectile motion where the particle was projected from the horizontal surface. Now let's move on to the case where the particle is projected from certain height.